Zen Browser is built around customization, and one of its biggest strengths is how much control it gives you over the browser interface. Instead of being locked into one layout, you can adjust the appearance, change how your toolbar looks, and organize your most used tools exactly where you want them. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your toolbar in Zen Browser. Let's get started. First, open Zen Browser on your computer. Before the toolbar customization, you might want to change the appearance first to a layout where the toolbar is always visible. Click on three dots, then Setting. Then in Look and Feel, change to Sidebar and Top Toolbar or Collapsed Sidebar. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Now for a direct way to customize the toolbar. Right-click on an empty area of the toolbar. From the menu that appears, select Customize Toolbar. This opens the toolbar editor where you can change the arrangement of your browser controls. Here you can drag and drop different elements to add them to your toolbar, remove buttons you don't need, or move items into a position that feels more natural. You can customize access to features such as bookmarks, downloads, extensions, history, navigation controls, and other available browser tools. For example, if you frequently use bookmarks, you can place bookmark-related buttons somewhere more convenient. If you prefer a cleaner interface, you can remove unused icons and keep only the essentials visible. Zen Browser also lets you experiment with spacing and layout, making it possible to create anything from a minimal setup to a more feature-rich toolbar. If you make changes that you don't like, you can return to the customization menu and adjust the layout again until it fits your workflow. The goal is to make the browser work around your habits instead of forcing you to adapt to the default design. And that's it. You've successfully customized your toolbar in Zen Browser. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Zen Browser tutorials, browser customization guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.